Now you...
Mega Man! I'm outside the game! Overtime!
Japanese people keep their old traditions, and from that, they learn many things. And you know...
Interrupt. Be on the lookout for a captain who's venting himself into your restaurant in order to obtain free bacon. He's not real.
All right, Metalman.
It's a bird! It's a head! It's a bird head! Get on the point, Dummkopf!
Don't blow your stem, eggplant. All you
Force!
have to do is defeat Metalman. If I can get this much energy from one robot and that idiotic vegetable of yours, think what I can get from Captain Nitwit and its pals.
346 minutes later.
And remember, we leave until we catch that blue.
Rudely. Acting kooky, you say?
Down here just because a clam ate Mr. Krabs. Chocolate! This is chocolate. This is Mega Man. Chocolate? I trusted you, and you gave me this.
We're not here to make problems. We volunteered to try and help you three become better students and citizens.
The least you could do is...
This'll make it cheer, Captain Anna. Wow, dude, skaters roll.
Ring!
Your Pete here.
Thanks, Mega Man. I love it.
Where are we going?
Funtown, Splashtown.
No.
Total drama.
Island?
Mega Man 2.
Come before. What makes you think he'll come now?
Shut your lousy yap!
All day long, so I know what I'm talking about when I say I love you. Would you get out of here?
All the world's leading scientists will be my prisoners. They'll be worth millions, billions in ransom. I have more than enough money to carry out my wonderfully wicked work. Hitler!
And remember, we leave until we catch that blue.
Look, first, you
Gigantic bonus! I mean, but those bots mean business!
Hitler!
And remember, we leave until we catch that blue.
These kids have a bad attitude. Wow! That really stings my circuits! This ought to fix Proto Man!
What you like, but I'm the one with the time machine, and it's time.
Flashing me Okkusenman, the ways that I lose. Bubble Man's tied to Quick Man's life you choose.
Hey brother, I wish you'd hurry up and capture Wily and get back to the game world. Otherwise I won't have anyone to battle with. And you know...
Get up! SpongeBob!
So much destruction. This reporter asks,
Give me your
local
love.
consensus places the blame on
Where
this
the
negligent,
champions
selfish
fall.
driving instructor.
Heal the puzzle, doctor. Oh, here they come.
دوستاش متوجه شدن که برای به دست آوردن فرمول سری همبرگر خرچنگی باید به سرزمین زیبای این
One good view of me killing you.
And this digital dream is love that I can feel.
10 seconds later.
Of course. I wouldn't want you to leave that mangy mutt behind. All right, line up. Time to get moving.
No other class gonna do that.
Captain Nitwit's gonna be one sorry California dude.
15 minutes later.
From our contest, of course, the winner-take-all version of the California Kid.
the right
I don't mean
outcome.
to be a princess
Please.
advocate, but are you
Not
sure?
gonna
It's
lie.
my
I'm gonna
Majesty
win.
saying goodbye is even harder now. I'd like to
Please go
observe
away.
this
I
line.
just
Now
want to
we're
examine
going
him all over.
PlayStation with fearful harmony. Every knows it means death.
Before it's too late!
Stop playing that, please.
Oh, okay.
2 very boring minutes later.
I'm really gentle. Through your phone.
Not sure.
Adamantine kill.
Friends getting a shift.
I think I should know.
Help me clear these so I can continue my mandate. Excellent. Farewell, then. I just want to
Yeah, why
examine
don't you
him
come
all
over and say that to
over.
my face, punk guy?
Why does everyone always run away from me?
Hey, is somebody keeping track of my head? Bat it in. Nice catch, knucklehead. Look at this. Just caved in his skull. My bat's still dry. No clumps of hair. Nothing.
Is that all? Hey, Amity, I can't believe you came. I'm sorry, everyone. I did the best I could.
Welcome to the B-News once again.
When the going gets rough, Simon Belmont gets his trusty whip.
Well, that's not good enough. I've got a better idea. Mega Man, do you think you can make it back to Mega Land and bring back some firepower from Dr. Wright?
I can sure make a try.
1 weekend of pampering later.
Mega Man, look! I can create anything in this laboratory.
Can you make me human?
I can do better than that. I can increase the power of your blood circuits. How's that?
I feel mega happy.
1 debt to society later.
Little world of pixels, where the shadows play. There's a blue hero, fighting night and day. He's got a heart of circuit shrinking, with a soul so free. Charging up his power when he jumps through the debris. While his laughter echoes in the halls of fate. But this battle's more than just a game we recreate. With every little monster, he's got a story to tell.
I am on
Press start and let the magic Oh, Mega Man, dancing through the chaos.
Does anyone else hear this guy? Why am I the creeper?
You're a beacon like the lighthouse, with your blaster by your side. You're the light in the sea, party through the night. You're living out a dream. Airman brings us to the heat from fire's blaze. You're lost in the maze with every power gain. You're the sum of your fights, transforming through the
Are you SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yes!
Let's book him!
Wow, you guys are good. I'm the last person I would have suspected, but I was looking for me all the time. It's the perfect crime.
Yeah, tell it to the judge, Pinky.
Oh no! Patrick's too sensitive for the big house! Wait! Stop! I'm the one you want! I am the criminal!
Any meeps later?
All right, you two, you're under arrest.
90 days.
What you feel? Watch, Proto Man. With my Mind Link helmet, I can make Mega Man think he's human.
Fortnite Battle Pass. Fortnite Battle Pass. I booted up my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite Battle Pass.